guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be going into detail about how I maintain my mini braids. Right here I am washing my hair, obviously, and I'm using the Shea Moisture Strengthen and Restore shampoo. I really like the shampoo because it doesn't strip my hair, but it gives me a nice cleanse, which I really love because I hate washing my hair 15,000 times and it's still feeling like it's product in my hair. No shade to moisturizing shampoos, but I really like clarifying shampoos, especially when I have braids, just so I know that my scalp is getting clean. And after I shampoo, I just use the Giovanni conditioner. I usually use a deep conditioner, but I ran out. And this worked just as well as a deep conditioner. I just left it in for 3 minutes. After I'm done washing my hair, I wrap my hair in a t-shirt so it can absorb majority of the water and cause as minimal frizz as possible. Just go through and separate your hair to make sure all the pieces are laying on the sides. I'm just showing you how the shampoo cleaned my scalp right there, and it looks pretty good. You honestly could leave it like this, but you need some product to keep it moisturized. I apply my products with a spray bottle because it distributes better, honestly. And I use the Miele Rice Water Moisturizing Milk and the Miele Pomegranate and Honey Leave-In Conditioner. I don't know, but today the products were acting kind of weird. Like they just stopped mixing together. And you can tell around the bottle, it just looks a little off. I don't know what was happening, but they just separated like oatmeal consistency. Oh, and if you hear my dog barking in the background, it's because she's being annoying right now. But yeah, I shook it up and it just turned into like I don't know. It was nasty looking. It really was. I just decided to apply the products regularly after that. And this part is going to be sped through because everything does not need to be in real time. This video will be an hour long. After I apply the leave-in conditioner and the moisture milk, I apply a mousse. And I really like the Miele mousse from the pomegranate and honey line. I really, honestly and truly feel like this moisturizes my scalp just like an oil would, but it's just lighter weight. Don't quote me on that though. But I think it works that way. And it also minimizes the frizz that's at the top of your hair, because for me, the top of my head gets so much more frizzy than anything else. I would assume like my ends and stuff would get frizzy because that's the part that I touch the most, but it's always my middle part, and I just don't understand that. But here I'm just showing you how I apply the mousse. I go in and scrunch my ends, and make sure you get it on your ends because it's like a kind of like a gel, and it really holds the curls at the end. So after I get done applying all of how many products did I apply? 3 products. I just go through, re-scrunch everything, and that's all. And then I just let it air dry for about 2-3 hours until it's about 50% dry. Why does everyone want to start talking when I start talking? Anyways, yeah, I just let it dry. Make sure that you section it, like put it back in the middle part, because if you don't, it will dry to the side. It won't be flat in the middle. So yeah, small tip. If y'all want a good lip balm, what is this? Laneige, this one. It's so good. This is my hair, probably about 60% dry. I got a question on my last video on how I like maintain my braids. So y'all probably like, how is her braids looking so new after like, when did I post that video? Like a month ago? Yeah, I rebraided my hair. I took I literally sectioned each one and just rebraided each braid. I didn't take all of it down at once. I just went one braid by braid and just took it down, rebraided it, and like applied shea butter. I'm probably gonna take them down maybe like March. That's when I like actually go straighten my hair, go get it trimmed, and then like start wearing my hair back out curly, because in the summertime I usually wear it out and like twist outs and stuff because my hair just flourishes more during that time. But then I'll probably rebraid it, but they won't be this small. Any activity where your hair needs to be washed a lot, this is like the easy way to keep it so you don't have to keep combing your hair out, doing all that. It's easy, you don't have to use as much product also. That's the great thing. Basically, if your braids get old and like you can barely see your scalp, I'm gonna put some pictures in of what my hair was looking like before I took my braids down. You cannot see my scalp at all. Like this right here, gone. Realize that when I put oil on my hair in the wintertime, it doesn't actually work for me. But if I apply it in the summertime, it's like it works. At night, I just wear a bonnet to sleep. Before I put the bonnet on, I spray my scalp with water and then I apply the bonnet so it can like moisturize it a little bit. The less you do to your hair, the more it'll thrive, honestly. And you probably hear like a whole bunch of people saying that, but it's honestly true. That's why my hair is the length that it is now, because I really don't like doing anything to my hair, but I do like to do styles. But this is like a style where I can do so much to it and my hair has a lesser chance of being damaged or like getting messed up. So the steps to maintain this hairstyle is to wash with a clear and fine shampoo. You can use like a moisturizing one if it's like in the middle of the week or something, but I prefer clear and fine because with braids, your hair does tend to hold more like oils and stuff at the root. So I just want to make sure I get all of that out so I don't have to deal with any itching, irritation, or product buildup. So yeah, clarifying shampoo, a deep conditioner, one that you usually use on your hair when it's out. It really doesn't matter as long as it's moisturizing and it actually penetrates your hair. That's all that matters. If you like using oil in your hair, I would use like a heavy oil and apply like every week. Honestly, well, it depends on your hair, honestly, and how it absorbs the oil. All right, so I left off at oil. My camera cut off because I ran out of storage again. Turns out I had like 200 videos on my phone. I did not know that. Anyways, that's what I get for saving every TikTok video that I relate to, but that's besides the point. I personally don't use like using oil on my braids because it just tends to build up at my scalp and it just irritates my scalp. I like as less as possible on my scalp. The one thing I did apply that I've realized that helps keeps my scalp moisturized is applying like a mousse. I'm gonna read it because I really feel like it has some type of moisturizing properties. I feel like it keeps my scalp moisturized. The whole like pomegranate honey line, it really moisturizes my hair. So I don't know. I feel like the mousse does something, and it's kind of like it says it's not sticky, but it has like the honey feel, like when you put it on. So it's like, my hair loves honey. Like, it loves honey. And it really works on my hair. The lighter the products, the better. That's the thing. The lighter the products, the better. And honestly, your braids will do fine. I have low porosity hair, meaning my hair gets dry. It's more on the drier side, and it doesn't hold moisture as long. So I mean, it's moisturized right now, but like in a few days, the moisture is gonna dry up. And I just keep applying water, conditioner, like that, and that'll keep my hair moisturized. That's the whole thing with braids and stuff like that. You need to keep your hair, like your scalp, moisturized, not to the point where it's like soaking wet, but like dampen it at least every 2 days to like promote hair growth. Because, you know, treat your hair like a plant and water it when it needs to be watered. When it gets dry, when the dirt gets dry, you need to water. Honestly, keeping up with these braids is not as difficult as it may seem. It's probably one of the most low maintenance hairstyles you could honestly ever have. But you still want to take care of your hair. Just, it's not as demanding as having your curls out all the time. I hope this video was very informative. I hope you guys got the information that you needed. Like I said, I do recommend this hairstyle. It takes a long time to do, but it's worth it in the end. There's rarely any videos about how to like maintain, how to do the braids, how long people keep them in. They just do the style, and it's like they have it in for 2 weeks. And I'm just like, bro, you're not spending this much time braiding your hair, leaving it in for 2 weeks. There's no way. I leave mine in for at least 3 months, but in that time period, I'm like, you know, I take it down and redo it so it can look more fresh. Like, comment, subscribe, and follow my Instagram and my social medias. They'll all be linked down below. Yeah. Bye.